All right, hi everybody. My name is David, and I am the K-8 principal, and so I oversee elementary school. I am heading into 16 years in education, and I actually started out my career as a kindergarten teacher for a few years. I really love that age group, and also just love that how children learn. I'm very excited to be here and talk to you about the elementary school. I have this is going to my 10th year as a administrator. I was a elementary school principal before, and then I was over at Los Altos Christian School before. And this is heading into my second year here at the King's Academy. It's been really great getting ready to launch elementary school. And the first thing I would love to talk to you about is what we are thinking and seeing as the vision and the mission of the TKA Elementary School. TKA is a Christ-centered school, and we definitely want to do that for our elementary school as well, which means that we do everything by putting Jesus first. We really care about developing our faith as well as shaping our students' faith and their spiritual development. And along with that is character. We want to be shaping, helping students build their character and building a foundation for discovering their purpose and walking with the Lord. We'll be doing that. We'll explain in a little bit about how we do that throughout the school day. The second piece is academic excellence. We really believe that students should be lifelong learners and really start at the earliest age where there's a natural curiosity and motivation to learn, explore the world. We want to capture those and then help them to be thinkers and learners, and explorers, where when they are guided by highly effective teachers with rigorous curriculum, they're in an environment where they are discovering the world around them and learning and how to be a learner and do that through a biblical worldview lens. We incorporate a biblical worldview in our curriculum. And we differentiate learning. We all know that learners are a little bit different from one to the other. There's different motivations and different skills that I picked up. We want to create an environment where all learners can learn in the classroom. And we do that through small group activities. We do that through observations as well as challenging students where they need to be challenged. We want students to be critical thinkers as well as problem solvers. And so all of those are qualities of academic excellence. We are a school that really care about relationship. Enduring relationship is a key value of our school. We want students to feel like they belong here. Like this is a place they want to be, the place that they have friends and they can take with them. They can have those relationships into junior high, high school, and beyond. I've sat across from many families because they are here because they're looking for a place where their children feel they belong and they can build those relationships, continuing and even beyond TKA. We want students to feel cared for, and then we want students to build relationships with peers as well as the adults and the teachers and the staff as we kind of take care that will be taking care of them. And the last one is servant leadership. We really believe that we really believe in service, where it is a place where students see that they can have a positive impact in the world through service, and that's how they lead themselves and the people around them. They can positively influence the world around them. So really, this is what we're envisioning for elementary school. And to have a place for your students, we definitely need to talk about the teachers. As I think about one of my responsibilities and as a principal is putting the right people, the teachers in front of your students. And so we are, as a Christ-centered school, we look for born-again Christian teachers. These teachers are role models, positive role models for the students. We want to be able to model and walk with your students and how to be with one another, how to learn and how to resolve issues. We want to be that role model. And so we're looking for positive role models for your students. And we also want teachers with a wealth of experiences. Our teaching team range from 5 years of experience all the way to 27 years of experience or 30 plus experiences. We're really grateful for this group of teachers that we have. that's going to be shaping our program and delivering that curriculum and be interacting with your students. And we take on the collaborative teaching approach. We have multiple classes per grade level, and those teachers in that grade level will be collaborating together, working together and learning from one another. That's really how we're going to multiply our experiences, is by learning with each other and collaborate and plan together. And that will make the classroom a lot very rich, because then you're gleaning from experiences of multiple teachers, not just the homeroom teacher.